Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 6. Making an appointment with your professor.
Professor, could I make an appointment with you?
I am free tomorrow afternoon between 2 and 4. Do you have a particular time in mind?
2 o'clock would be the best time.
Fine. Do you know where my office is?
No, I'm not sure.
Remember, it is in the E building on the 3rd floor.
I see.
Don't worry, it will work out fine once you get there. I'll see you then.
I'll see you then.
Looking forward to meeting with you.
Excuse me, Professor, is there a time when I could meet with you?
I could meet with you tomorrow anywhere from 2 until 4. What time works out best?
I would like to come in at 3 o'clock.
I am glad that works out. Can you find my office?
Yes, I can.
Just follow the walkway to the outside and climb the stairs to the 3rd floor.
I got it.
If you do get lost, just ask someone in the building to point the way.
Thank you, I'll be there.
If you need to cancel your appointment, please give me a call.
Professor, do you have a few moments when I could meet with you?
I schedule my appointments from 2 to 4 on Saturday. What works best for you?
3 would be a good time.
Great. Do you need directions to my office?
I'm not sure.
Well, just make sure to go through the double doors, and they'll be on the right.
Okay, I'll find it.
It's very easy to find.
See you then.
I will enjoy seeing you. Have a good week. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.